Okay, so cute. Feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself. Cute girl, no makeup, nothing. Just my natural face, and I'm looking so cute here. Ooh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey, this is a very quick video. Like, I'm about to go out. I just said let me do this very fast unboxing video, guys. Your girl got a ring light. Annora got a ring light finally. Your girl got a ring light for herself. Then I was so curious, so I couldn't wait. I opened it already because this was attached. I think they attached. Okay, they attached it from here, as you guys can see. They attached it from here, but I removed it already, you know. So let's go in and see what we got from inside here. Thank you guys so very much for always watching, always tuning to my channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you out there taking out time watching my videos. Okay, so now when you open it up from here, I got me this black. Okay, so here we go. Here is the extension head, I think. Yeah, I'll open it. Wow. Okay, I hope you guys are seeing what I'm seeing right here. Okay, this is the, yeah, this is the head for the phone, and this is how it's looking like. And this is an affordable ring light, you know. I got it here in Nigeria and I got it for 25,000 naira. All those who are in Nigeria that want an affordable ring light, you can go for this one. And let's see how the brightness is. And now let's go in with the nothing in. So this is how it is. Okay, I think it's go this way. Alright, so you just open it like this. It's really not that big. This ring light stand is, it's kind of short. No. Okay, I got it now. I got it now. Wow, it's really long. Really long. I love it. Let's just mount it up. So I'll go in now from up. Okay, now just fit it in here. Okay, I got it. But you really need to fit it well, like tighten it up, okay? Before your ring light will be rest in peace. Guys, I think I need to go in and put this a little bit down. Okay, so you guys can figure it out. Okay, yo, this is it right here now. I just mount everything. I put the phone head already. Now I'll just go in and I plucked it so we can see. So we can see the brightness of this light. Okay, yo, let me just change my position and I sit on the bed. And now let me put it on. Wow. Oh my god. Guys, this light is like, oh my god, it's so cute. Like, it's so bright. And I think from here we can change it. Yeah, from here you can brighten it more if you want. So there's a plug here, you just turn it from down, and here you can reduce it. If you have another light, like you just want it just a little bit, you can reduce it from here. You can see it's getting dim, right? So this is it. The light is really kind of nice, it's kind of cute. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. From here, you see how it's changing. It's changing right now. So you take it like this, and now you're getting brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter, you know. Oh my god, guys, I so do love this ring light, you know. I love it. It's so nice and it's so bright. Like, if you sit here and do a makeup, even if you're not a perfect makeup artist, just this light will help you perfect every little mistake you make, okay? So I really do love that. I won't give a bad comment about this light because it's so cute. Feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself. Cute girl, no makeup, nothing. Just my natural face, and I'm looking so cute here. Yeah, so guys, I think that will be all about the video for today. I really love this ring light, even though it's not like some ring light I always see on YouTube. I really wanted to purchase a ring light, but it wasn't available where I bought this one, so I had to go for this because Yake was desperate for any ring light available. Okay, so that will be all about our video for today. I love you also very much, because without you watching my video, there'll be no Annora. Thank you guys for loving me as much as I love you all. I love you also very much. I definitely will see you that's watching right there in my next video. Until then, I say bye and I say peace out. Always remember to drink you some of your water and you mind your own business. How do you say this drink?